Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Creative Coders. In today's tutorial, I will teach you to check if year is a leap year or not.
Now we start coding. Hash include iostream. It is a header file. After that using namespace std. Then we call the main function integer main. In that we declare int year. Then we take input from user using cout function. We display the string enter a year. Then user enter the value using cin function year. Then we apply nested if. In the nested if condition, first we put one condition if year is modulus 4 equals to 4. After that, in that if again we call one if. In that we declare the condition year is divided by 100 equals to 0. That means year is divided by 100 and the output is remainder is 0. Again we declare one if. In that year is divided by 400 and equals to, that means remainder is 0. For the last if condition is true, then the output is printed as is a leap year. After that, if condition is not run, then the else part of the code is run. In that situation, the cout, that means the print is not a leap year. After that, again one else, and last else is not a leap year. If we enter 3 if condition, then also we enter 3 if condition. Number of is equal to number of else. Then nested if is completed and return 0. Return 0 use the value is written anything whole number. If we enter int main function, then return 0 is entered there and complete the bracket. Save the code and run it. Then we enter 2000. Output is 2000 is a leap year. We all know 2000 is a leap year. After that, again run the code. This time we enter 2001 and run the code. 2001 is not a leap year. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful for you, then don't forget to like, share and comment the video. And if you still not subscribe the channel, then subscribe it and press the bell icon.